Hello everyone, my name is Anna and today I'm talking you to one of the most beautiful flower events in the Netherlands, the Flower Parade Rijnsburg. I filmed this parade on Saturday 8th of August 2026 and just look at how many flowers are here. This is actually the 79th edition of the parade. Today we will see huge flower floats, decorated cars, live music and thousands of flowers. So, let's enjoy the flowers parade together.
Verschillende leercoden op de kar.
This flower parade is a famous event in the Netherlands. It started many years ago. Every year many people come here to watch the parade. There are many beautiful flowers and different decorations. I think is it amazing how much work people do to make these floats. Look at all these flowers. There are so many different colors. Every float has a different design. I really like all of them. It's even more beautiful when you see it in real life.
I wanna be held just you, nobody else but you. I wanna be held by you alone. I wanna be nobody else but you. I wanna be held by you alone. I wouldn't aspire to anything.
Music is also an important part of the parade. You can see people dancing and playing music. The parade goes through different towns. It starts in Rijnsburg, then it goes through Katwijk and later to Noordwijk. Many people wait along the streets to see it. Some people bring chairs, food and drinks. Families come here with their children too. I think it takes a lot of time to prepare everything. There are flowers everywhere. People have to decorate the cars and the big floats. Many people work together to make this event possible. When I look at these floats, I can see how much work they did. I live in the Netherlands and I like visiting different Dutch events. It is a good way for me to see more of the country and learn about Dutch culture. This is my first time at this flower parade. I didn't know what to expect, but I really like it. The weather is beautiful today and there are many people here. The atmosphere also is very nice. Every time I see a new composition, I want to see what comes next. They are all very different. There is always something new to see. I think this is what makes this parade so interesting. We have already seen many beautiful floats and cars today. It's difficult for me to choose my favorite one. Some are colorful, some are funny, and some are very creative. Which one is your favorite? You can write in the comments. And this is the end of my video. I had a very nice day at the Flower Parade. I hope you enjoyed watching it with me. If you visit the Netherlands in summer, you can also visit events like this. And look at this car, next year will be very special. In 2027, the Flower Parade Rijnsburg will celebrate 80 years. The theme will be Best of 80 Year. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!